Next question po natin kay Zer Miranda. Sir, pwede ba dalawang same nature of business sa isang address? Answer is yes. Malaki pong yes. Katulad po namin, marami pong nature of business pero isa lang yung address. Tama po yun. Hindi po pinagbabawal ng ating batas yung magkaroon ng more than one nature of business sa isang address. As long as you must update your registration sa Bureau of Internal Revenue, yung ating certificate of registration, i-update nyo using the BIR Form 1905. Mag-a-add kayo ng additional line of business. Example, restaurant. Ang restaurant, may binibentang liquor, may binibentang mga souvenirs or goods. So marami siyang line of business even if restaurant na yung business niya in general. Pero marami siyang line of business na kailangan i-register sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. So during the existing operation of your business, nag-add kayo ng additional line of business, you must update lang po. Kahit same address, pwede po yan. You must update lang yung COR using the BIR Form 1905 sa inyong Revenue District Office having jurisdiction over the place of your business. Okay?